welcome on Ravi PK show.
Yeah,
So today, how are you feeling on Ravi PK show?
I'm feeling quite excited.
Okay, wow, that's great. Have you ever done these kinds of podcast show in your career?
Yeah, means like when it comes to just yesterday, even you also know about that. That yesterday I
Mhm.
just did one podcast. So yeah,
Okay.
that is the one. Other than this, before I never did any podcast with anyone.
Oh, okay, got it. So, yeah, so could you tell me a little bit about yourself? Because I'm very, very excited to know about yourself, and whoever watching our videos, so they want to also know. They are very curious.
Yeah, okay. So I'm Trupti, and basically I'm from Maharashtra. And if I would talk about my education, so I'm pursuing my degree of bachelor's in chemical technology from RTM University itself. And other than that, if I would talk about my hobbies, so cooking interests me a lot. Nowadays, I'm passionate lots about cooking also, and even I'm focusing towards improving my communication skills also. So yeah, these are the two hobbies which nowadays I'm pursuing.
Oh, wow, wow, wow. That's great. That's great. That's great. So, Trupti, today I would like to ask at least, three, four questions. And that, topic would be related to our, education system. And definitely, whatever, we will discuss, okay, on Ravi PK. So not only you learn, not only I learn, whoever watching our video, so they can get something, different knowledge from us. So, are you excited?
In the starting itself, I said, I'm excited.
Oh, wow, that's great. I can see on your face you are much more excited to share your knowledge, experience.
Yeah. Actually, related to Indian education system, up to now, I have a lot experiences.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe hope you will be facing lots of problems, so that's the reason you want to share
God,
your knowledge, experience.
yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I have one question for you. So what's the reality of Indian education system? Because we know very well most of people they don't know reality of Indian education system. They don't know what they are learning from our education system. It is impactful or not. Most of people they are not aware. If people are facing any kinds of problems, so they are getting stuck. Okay, they are not aware of that things. So what's your opinion, reality of Indian education system, because you are a student of commerce, chemical field.
Yeah. So, when it comes to Indian education system, so according to me, when we are up to at least up to 10th, we are not, even we didn't feel that actually Indian education system is like that. Like according to us, yeah, everything is just good and we are learning something. And the
Mhm.
most bad thing, like in Indian education system, like our teachers, our education system, they are just giving us theoretical knowledge. And when it comes to something
Mhm.
like technological knowledge or something practical knowledge, so at that point, our Indian education system is quite not that much successful, according to me.
Mhm.
We have to work there also. And other than that, our teacher staff also or our professor also. So like especially the other teacher staff of some government colleges or some government school. So they are getting high payment. So that's why they are teaching us, but while teaching us, they are not teaching us by taking that much interest. Like they are just doing that just because that is their duty. So that is
Mhm.
when second point. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. I mean, so whatever we are learning, just not 90% things are not useful. Okay, that
Yeah, that's
things those,
the main
yeah,
point.
those
That
learning is not impacting in our life. Really, it's a reality in real life.
no. Actually, our teachers or our professors, they are not teaching us that how we have to, like imply that all this theoretical knowledge in like practically. So, they have to teach us in that way, but they are just, teaching means I'm not saying that all the teacher, but there are some teachers, so they are not teaching us like that, like by which that we will get some knowledge or we will get that how we have to imply it. Means we are getting lots of things, we are learning that, and somewhere we are just doing that rectification and all, but we are
Mm.
not we are not aware that how we have to imply it, and like in future how it will helpful to us, like when it
Mm,
comes to mathematics. We
mm,
solve lots of mathematical problems and all, but like if we think that in our everyday life or even after we are on a job, so I don't think so that that mathematics is useful that much. So yeah, this is the,
mm.
yeah.
Right, right, right. Absolutely right. I totally agree. I totally agree. And and one more things, I have seen lots of people, and especially students who are doing MBA, engineer, commerce. So they are frustrated of about our Indian education system, and they are hating lots of things. Means they are not getting much more knowledge, which knowledge can impact their life. With the help of knowledge, they can make themselves better person. Means they are not getting such kinds of knowledge. So what do you hate in Indian education system most? What are the things you are hating?
Yes. So the most hated thing which I
Hate,
can,
you yeah, you can say hate, yeah, problem you are facing. What
yeah, the most
your
worst thing I don't like about the about the Indian education system. So like our teacher, our teacher, or even the like the way we live, our society, they judge us like how much marks we are scoring or by our grade. But like it is not means mandatory that if you are scoring a very good marks or if your grade is like A plus plus something like that, so that means you are very clever student or you are brilliant. So that is the most hated thing which I literally don't like, because if that person, he or she don't have good marks, that means he must be interested in something else. Even the same point I mentioned in yesterday podcast itself. Because yeah,
Right, right, right. Absolutely. Means there are, uncountable, like a problem in Indian education system. It's very hard to, describe one by one, and it will be talk long time. So absolutely right. There are lots of problem in Indian education system, and especially I have also faced, many more problem because I am not well educated in terms of degree. Okay, I am college dropout. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So but when I have when I talk to someone else, so I ask to person, what are the things are you facing? So they told us, yeah, I am facing lots of problem. I am not getting too much facility from our Indian education system. Means many more problem they are facing, and they are
Actually,
also still
yeah.
struggling in their life, and they are not finding their passion, their purpose. They are not improving their communication skills. So that's the reason.
The main problem is that especially the people who are from some local area or some poor people, actually they don't know now that where is the correct way, or they means they just, even like there are lots of students, even not, I couldn't say them student as well,
Mm,
because
mm,
they don't know the importance of education also. So even at that
mm,
point also, our Indian education system is lagging, because like means, yeah, they are saying that we have government college and it is free of cost, and you will learn like they are like the poor students especially, or the poor children. But the thing is that the teacher staff is not good, and the quality of education also matter. So even they are educating, they are learning, but still they are not developing their personality, because like they have the degree but they don't know how to use it. So that is also the
mm.
main point, that our Indian education system is not that much upgraded. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely right. I totally agree. And I have seen in my life, so most of people they have a degree, okay, but
Yeah.
they are well educated, okay, in terms of degree, okay, in terms of degree, but they are not well educated in terms of real life education.
Yeah.
And I have seen lots of people are not much more confident. They have a lots of fearness, lots of hesitation. If they talk to someone else, so they can't speak with
Yeah.
full of confidence. But they are good, okay, in terms of marks, in terms of their college and their degree. They are they are good. So why these things is happen? Why they are not much more confident? Why they are feeling not good to talk someone a stranger? Why these things is happening?
Actually, the main reason is that, as I'm saying, our Indian education somewhere not completely, it's not responsible
Not
for like a
completely. Yeah,
student that,
yeah.
yeah, that why it is not confidence or why like his personality is not developed because
Uh,
like in our like colleges or in our schools they never teach us that how we have to talk or like they never give us education about something or like how we can develop our personality or how we have
uh,
to communicate with someone. Like now I'm communicating with you, so they are not providing us that kind of education, so it could be the
you.
first. And along like other than that there are also lots of reasons that our background also matter and lots of other things are also, but that is not related to our topic.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can, yeah, I totally agree. Absolutely right. Means which knowledge we will, help in our career. So our education system is not providing, just providing garbage. We can say, just we are, getting garbage. 90%, things are getting useful things, unuseful things. Unuseful things. So yeah, I am, I'm very unhappy about our Indian education system, because most of people are facing lots of problem. Their communication skills is very poor. Okay, and their most of people's English is really very bad. It's ununderstandable. Without, if we can't talk to someone else, if we can't make them understand, so we are struggling.
But even that's not their fault that actually their communication skills are not good because means the place from actually the most of the people who are from some, as I earlier mentioned, so they never
uh,
provided that quality of education because if you compare the student of some reputed college and the some student of some local area college or something, so you will find a huge difference. So somewhere what I think, it is not the fault of that student, and somewhere I also couldn't say completely that it is just because of our Indian education system also, because
uh,
like providing everyone a good quality of education, somewhere it is tough
mm,
up to certain limit, and even
mm,
like student also have that capability to learn that thing, because now like they are also some kind of student, even they are also
uh,
not interested in learning
uh,
also, so that is also one thing.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely right. I agree, totally agree. And we know very well, our Indian system is, theoretical, too much theoretical rather than, practical. So, what's your
Yeah,
opinion? This is good. This is good theoretical. We are, learning only in terms of theoretical. 90% things we are learning theoretical.
yeah, it is theoretical. That is very true. But it's not completely waste. And why we think that it is actually that all those theoretical knowledge or that certification is waste, because we don't know how to implement. Even I mentioned this also earlier, that we don't know how means how we have to apply that when it comes to some experimental or practical knowledge, and that is the main reason. Otherwise, they are just providing us theoretical knowledge. They are means they are teaching us, and they are just they are just saying that you just have to learn all those, and we are why actually we are just learning all those things because we just want a good marks, and somewhere we are just doing rectification that we will get a good marks, we will get a high grade, everyone will say that actually we are very clever or we are brilliant student, but it is not the truth complete here. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. You absorb from your, college friend, school friend,
Yeah,
regarding
which
education system.
problem?
Yeah,
Yeah, which we face like according but just because of Indian education system.
yeah.
Your question? Yeah, it is similar. Means like you say that what are the problem? Obviously, the same problem which I faced. Means I can say that they are also facing the same problem like me. Like they are not providing us that knowledge. Actually,
For you. So according to you, what are the things, would be improvement in Indian education system?
Actually, there are lots of things which can actually our Indian system can improve. And actually, it's improving like day by day. Our Indian education system, they are like they are developing, or they are making lots of changes, or they can increasing the quality or improving the quality of our education. And
Hmm.
they are changing the syllabus also, and they are also providing us some knowledge about regarding our technology. Or nowadays, even like just because of this pandemic, even students are getting lots of virtual knowledge, because as before we are not aware that how we have to attain online classes, and especially the children, especially the student who are from some fifth standard or fourth standard student, they are not aware of all those technology. But just because of this new education like technique, I can say, nowadays actually we are improving. And we know that how. And other than this, like there are several ways by which actually Indian education system can improve. In some another countries, like they are just not focusing there towards the grades or towards the just theoretical knowledge. They are also
Hmm.
they are focusing towards the creativity of the students also. That how
Hmm.
like they are just giving them some task, not just related to some education, like rather than this like some sports or something. And then they are observing that that student is creative or not. So by just that these kinds of things, by giving them some tasks, or by doing some extracurricular activities. Even our Indian education system have to focus more towards the extracurricular activities, like sports, singing, dancing, and all those. Somewhere it is also involved in Indian education system, because it is also kind of a education. Yeah, that is also important.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm. Right, 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 right. I totally agree. I totally. So, would you like to ask any question from our viewers? Would you like to?
Let me
Any
think.
question? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Any question? So they can, give you answer on our, comment section.
Actually, we can, ask them that what are the several ways by which actually we can improve our education system. Even they can also, suggest us that which are the ways or which are the method by which we can improve. Yeah.
Means what are the way?
Yeah, what are the ways by which actually that student with, even they are not means because like there are some students, they don't like means they don't like learning. So there must be some several ways by which they will means they will automatically get interested, or they will feel that interest. So what are those ways by which actually means without even means they will automatically feel that interest? You got my question or not?
Yeah, yeah, got it, got it, got it. I agree. I totally agree.
Yeah,
And
okay.
that's great. That's great. So, and I would like to ask one question. So, one skills, okay, in one skills, which one skills, okay, should be add on in our Indian education system? So what's your opinion? And I am asking you as well as my viewer, so they can give us answer on our comment section. What's your opinion? What skills should be add on
Miss,
our
you are
Indian? Yeah,
asking the skill like which Indian education system have to add.
yeah, yeah.
This is the
Yes.
okay. So like especially I can say, as you said earlier, also the communication skill. It's actually
Hmm.
matter a lot. And how
Lots
we are
matter.
communicating. Yeah, actually,
Yeah.
and like actually they are means communication skills somewhere like talking, like they are means they are teaching us that how we have to talk in English. But there
Hmm.
is a difference in like talking in English and
Hmm.
having a good communication skill. So first of all, they have to be aware of like the difference in between both the things. And
Hmm.
then how to focus towards that, how can we like how can student can improve their communication skill, and they have to give knowledge about that thing.
Wow, wow, wow. My, my answer should be also same over there. Really, I love it, and absolutely right, because without good communication skills, very hard to persuade to people, make them to understand, convince to people. Really, absolutely right, and hope I'm waiting for from my viewers, so they can also give their answer. What should be add on our Indian education system.
Yeah, sure.
So what would you like to give us advice for student any? advice for
What
students?
kind of advice? Yeah,
Any advice? Yeah.
yeah, just like the advice which can I say that you just have to focus towards your career, and for that you have to be means you have to even started taking your interest in education also. So yeah, somewhere, because only if you are good in education, if at least you are graduated, so then only you can decide your career. So yeah, maybe.
Wow, that's great. So thank you very much, Shruti, for your
Yeah,
giving me precious time.
same here.